Hey, I'm Cindy with McDonald Sewing and Vacuum, here to show you a quick project to do for Christmas gifts. We're going to be making homemade napkins, and we're going to be I'm using fabric from the Modal line, Memories, Porcelain and Silver. You're going to need 2 fat quarters, squared up, and you're going to have wrong sides facing each other. And then we'll go over and serge the edges. So I'm using the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air 400 serger. You're going to set it up for the 3-thread rolled hem. Once you do that, you're ready to go. It's just lickety split. Here we go. So here is your pretty rolled edge. You do that 3 more times, tie off your ends, and you have a beautiful napkin. Perfect for giving. Happy holidays.